Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram if it uploads a bad quality video in your story. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now in here, I'm just going to give you some tip. When posting anything on any social media, make sure that you use the max quality capture in your phone. For example, you're using iOS, okay? You do have that option to record on 4K. Also for Android, if you have a better Android phone, okay, you can go ahead and tap on this option and you should be able to see full HD, 4K or even 8K, okay, even ProRes. Okay, if you have that on Android or iOS, go ahead and use that. Make sure that you capture it or you capture your videos with the highest quality. And after that, when you edit, okay, for example, you use CapCut or any other editing software. Okay, for example, you have captured a video in 4K, you should export it as 4K as well, okay? And if you have recorded the video in 1080p, you should export it as 1080p as well, okay? For example, this one right here, it is recorded as 1080p. Tap on the drop down right here, okay? Make sure to select 1080p and then the frame rate. If it is recorded as 30 FPS, keep it as 30 FPS. If it is recorded as 60 FPS, make it 60 right here. Bitrate, make sure to use the maximum. And once done, hit on export. Okay. Again, if you captured the video on 4K, go ahead and use 4K right here, like so. Frame rate and the bitrate, make sure that it is set to the highest. That's basically how you do it. Once you have it exported, go ahead and upload it to your story. And once done, the quality problem will be fixed. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.